and welcome back to Nella's Corner. It's a new month, new Boxycharm. It's February. My birthday has come and passed. I will post up a pic of my bomb look that I had for my birthday. I looked super cute. My Boxycharm base box that came just in time for me to do my birthday look. And as you can tell, I loved everything that came in that box. And then when I came back a couple weeks later, I got my premium box. And we're going to go over everything I got in both those boxes this month. So let us start with the base box. I got everything falling apart. I got the Brow Bar by Rima. This really nice gold bombshell brow kit. Comes with highlighter, concealer, and 2 brow colors, brow powders. I like it. I'm using it in my brows today. Little spoolie, tweezers, and a brow pencil. I didn't use a brow pencil today though, but it's a nice like reddish brown brow pencil. It got smushed in the lid, but yeah, it's really nice. I like it. I'm gonna try to not say I like everything because I'm gonna just preface it from that. I liked everything I got in my box. So also in my base box, I got the Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. This is really nice. Rich, exfoliates the skin. I used it twice a week. So I've used it 4 times now because I started using it last week. And I have noticed that my skin, it was looking dull and just winter bluesish. And since using this, it brightened me right back up. Scrub away all that dead skin. I also received this, how do you pronounce this? Chastique Mascara Eyeliner Duo. I haven't used these. That is yet. It takes me a while to try out new mascara because to me all mascara does the same thing. Although I have used mascaras that perform extremely well. Like I could drop this in here because I received this mascara Grande Drama from Boxycharm. This mascara, it gives you falsies. But I'm not wearing it today. Today I'm wearing the Fenty mascara, full frontal mascara that I got in last month's box, I believe. Yeah, this nice mascara eyeliner duo. What's really cool about this mascara is like you see it has a lash curler, which is kind of cool. Regular, mascara wand. It's really nice. And your typical line sharpened smudge eye pencil. Yeah. So that was nice. Again, didn't use it yet, so I'm just gonna say it's nice because it looks cool and it looks handy dandy. Mascara with a lash curler, like that makes sense. 2-in-1, that's cool. I also really received, let me take some of this stuff out, from Glamour, their Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. As you obviously can tell, I've used the brushes. These are so cute. They're so cute. So cute. Cute little brushes. Got your shader brush, angle detail brush, blending brush. My face is a smudger. And there's not even a piece of paper telling me that. That's just my makeup knowledge. But yeah, cute brushes. Added to my 101 brush collection. I can never have too many brushes. It just makes wash day take even longer to arrive. And last but not least, out of my base box, I got these Saint Luxe lip liners. Cute. These cool like reddish brown and brown colors. Have I used these yet? I feel like I used one of them. I probably haven't. No, have not used these yet, but definitely adding. What I have on my lip today is actually Makeup Forever's brown lip liner in Limitless Brown. I love this lip liner. I learned about Makeup Forever when I was going to beauty school, and we took a field trip to the Makeup Forever store in Soho. Great quality stuff, man. Great quality stuff. Alright, next up in my premium box. Got some nice high-end stuff, because with the premium box, like everything you get with Boxycharm is like I say, imagine it being an Ulta from the prestige side. You have a little bit of drugstore, but it's mainly things from prestigious brands that we all know and love and hear about. And they throw in a few brands you've never heard of before, but they are on that I want to say higher end in terms of their price point and quality of products. So onto the premium box where we have even more great things. I received the Huda Beauty. I'm so excited. The Huda Beauty Pastels Rose Palette. I have it on my eyes right now. First of all, I've been wanting a Huda palette for a while because I've heard great things about the quality of the products. The palette I really wanted was the Naughty palette that I believe she dropped around Christmas, but that palette is like $60 something or $100 something. Anytime a palette starts to go past like the $50 something mark, I start to be like, I don't know. I would like to be gifted this, please. I don't know. I don't know. And then Boxycharm came through and sent your girl my first Huda palette. I love this palette. It's really pretty. Let me open it up. Really pretty. Look at those colors. And like, I have on this dusty rose shade, this light pink shade, and these two has my inner corner highlight. And it actually shows up really nicely on my skin tone. So, great palette. I also received Elemis Muscle Active Body Oil. As you can see how greasy it kind of looks. I've used this. It works. It really works. I used it after I got out the shower because it's like, it says in the instructions, and yes, I read the instructions because, I mean, why not? Read the instructions are like to put it on your body, like when you get out the shower and your body's still warm. Used it on my lower back. Used it on my knees and like thigh because I was doing squats. So I'm like, okay, let's massage the muscles. It really relaxes your muscles. I think it's also because it smells like lavender, and lavender is known for its relaxing properties. But anyways, this oil, I'm glad I got it. I use it, and it's very hydrating to the skin. It doesn't have that weird, I don't want to say greasy, but some oils have this, it's not slick and squalene feel, which gives you this weird, just oily but not moisturizing. It's actually moisturizing and hydrating. It doesn't just sit on top of the skin, which is nice. What else I received? I also received in my premium box Soft Focus Glow Drops by Rodile. I didn't use these today, but I did use them in my birthday look. I like these. I'm usually not a big fan of primer. I don't really care for primer. I understand its purpose, and some primers do work, but I skin prep before I do my makeup, so then I feel like, okay, I'm adding another moisturizer type because I have a dry skin type anyway, so I'll use a moisturizing primer if I have to use primer. But anyways, this moisturizing, hydrating, and it gives a soft glow underneath the makeup, which is really nice. You don't look oily and greasy. You actually look like you're glowing and radiating. So I like these drops. And by themselves, when you put the drops on by itself, it does have a blurring effect on the pores and other discoloration and such. I don't want to use the word imperfections, but other like things you complain about. Pores, if you have a few dark spots here and there, it has a blurring effect on those issues before applying your makeup. Next, I got the Tarte Double Take. Yeah, Double Take eyeliner. I haven't used it. I mean, I have nothing against Tarte. I've received a lot of their eyeliners from Boxycharm so far. They perform nicely, but then I don't just think to go for my Tarte eyeliners. But they're nice. They're nice. It's a nice, I really felt it. Well, no, I'm a liar. It's actually a mechanical eye pencil. Wow. Goes on smooth. So that's nice. That's very nice. The other one, the Sex Kitten one, is liquid. I thought it was another liquid liner. Like, okay, I get it. Liquid liners are in. Oh, whoa. Oh, this is old. I'm gonna throw this away. It's old. But yeah, dope. Is this gel? I think it's a gel liner. It feels like gel. But yeah, nice eyeliner. I also, last but not least, received... No, there's one more item. Okay, after this. I received the Primero Primer by Alamar Cosmetics. I've used this primer on my birthday as well to hold... I use it in conjunction with this palette. This is a great... I believe in eyeshadow primer because your eyes are always moving. The powders are gonna rub and mix and fly away. This keeps it in place. It keeps your eye look in place, and it's easy to work with as well. It doesn't make your eyeshadow get like stuck and you can't blend it out. You can blend it out, but it traps the pigment. Let the pigment pass. I love this. And then last but not least, I hope I pronounced this right. Odacite. All three ways I just said that. You for yourself figure that out. I want to say Odacite or Odacite because of the accent, but wait. No, because it's going to bother me. We pronounce this Cité London, so this must be Odacite. Whatever, anyways. Blue Aura cleansing water. I've used this to remove my makeup. It's a nice micellar water. What can I say? All my micellar waters kind of perform the same. They take off your makeup in one full swoop. It doesn't irritate your skin. It's water. Water with additives. But I could say that I do like the smell and like how luxurious this feels on the skin.
You open the door though?
Hi, everyone. Meet Zeus. Might as well just meet Zeus. And that's all the stuff in my Boxycharm this month. I will be back next month with my other boxes. I'll probably be back later this month as well with just a random video. But you see why the videos are far and few between. I also have a child. Yeah, I'm a mom, and he needs my attention too. So, later days.